All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to go through here really quickly a little video explanation of what I would like you to do for this little Google form. Okay, so obviously the first, this whole Google form, it's just a couple quick questions to get you. I just want to know if you really have a clear understanding of how you examine credibility and quality of online evidence. All right, so what both of these pieces of information, they're essentially going to look at the same topic, and that is, should schools reopen kind of fully in the time of COVID-19? So the first part here, it's just your name, so that's relatively simple. You just got to type in your name there. Okay, then what I need you to do is, the first part of this is determining author's credibility. So essentially, I have two articles, and you can just click on the link and it'll take you to whatever article it is that you need to get on. And I want you to take a look at this article. All right. And then I want you to take a look at article 2. And I just want you to answer. The first one here is really, really simple. It's, which of the two articles below do you think has more credible, which means trustworthy, as a more credible author on the subject of schools reopening in the time of COVID-19? Because both of the articles essentially are talking about the same thing. I just want you to tell me, which of those do you think has a more credible author? And then what I want you to do, I just want you to explain your answer above in a few sentences down here. All right. And that's what we've got going on right there for this one. Then the second part, it's just one other question. Instead of looking at whether or not the author is credible, you're going to be looking at, okay, which of these authors uses the best actual evidence to support their idea that schools should reopen in the time of COVID-19? Because both of these articles talk about how schools should reopen in the time of COVID-19. I want you to look at both of these articles and then think to yourself, which of them has the best evidence to support the idea that schools need to reopen? And then I want you to answer that in a few sentences down below. Other than that, that's all you got to do there.